Well, if I'd have said 2 years ago, come on, let's take 3 dogs and go for a 5-mile walk in the pouring rain. Firstly, I didn't do exercise. Secondly, the distance would have put me off. And thirdly, the rain would have put me off. But today, I was the one instigating the walk. I've got 3 dogs with me who usually all clamber onto the front seat the minute we get to Grove Lodge roundabout, because they recognise that we're going up to Hill Barn. Hill Barn Golf Course, the nice long walk. But no, today all 3 pups fast asleep in the car on the way to having a walk, which is completely unheard of. So they're either very sensible and were saying, Claire, let's not bother, or